Hey guys, what's up? In this short Snapchat tutorial video, I am simply going to show you how you could easily use the director mode on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to simply open up your Snapchat mobile application, and after that what you have to do is to simply tap on that little director mode icon at the side of the screen right above the music one, and it will open up your camera. From here you can simply create a beautiful video. You can use music, you can search for stickers and lenses. If you'll tap on the lens sticker, there are a lot of the lenses which are given to us by Snapchat. Now if you'll go back, there is an option of green screen as well, then you can use green screen option. There is an option of timer, you can apply the timer. If you'll tap on timer, you can select the video limit and you can set up the timer. Then there is a flash, and after that there is an option from where you can add your gallery pictures, and then the last option is of draft. It will show you all of your drafts. So you can use also templates by tapping on template at the bottom. Now it will show you all of the templates which are given to us by Snapchat. You can tap on any of the template and you can use the stickers as well. And if you want to record a video, simply hit the shutter button and video will start recording. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.